Okay, further work carried out on the mini pickup. We now have the near side door gapped up, all hinged up, looking nice against the rear wing. And we have now put our little punch holes in the new panel, ready to weld in. It's all clamped in position and measured up and is looking nice and square. As you can see, the back brace supports are welded in. And on the off side where we had that little bit of rust up on the top there, that's now been cut out. Little plate nicely stitched in with a step joggle, so it's all nice and smooth. You don't have a hard weld edge. Right, okay, continuing with the mini pickup restoration. We have now got the rear wings all welded in. As you can see on the top there, just got to grind those plug welds off. A bit more tidying up with the plug welds around the back. And we've also fitted the top finishing mounts here for the tailgate locks. And also the strengthening panels for the rear headlamp, rear light panels. So our next stage will be to fit the rear hub sections, making sure they all line up, but we will be taking another video of that as well while it's in progress. And if some of you that are watching this video didn't understand what a joggle was when we inserted the piece on the rear wing, I'll give you a quick little show on a prior piece I've made up ready. Basically what you have is a little step, as you can just see there, in your original panel. So when you get your new panel, which is prepped up ready with holes cut in it, ready for welding, when you fit them together, they actually are the same level, rather than if you didn't have the joggle, you'd have that double edge to try and get rid of. This is done with a little tool called a hole cutter and joggler, which you can actually buy yourselves. Basically, there you go. As you can see, you've got that little step device that when you pull the handles together, crimps in and puts the little joggle in there, and then you just reverse it for the hole punch. So I hope that's given you a little idea what a joggle means. Right, okay, we've now, as you can see by the top of the wheel arch on that wing there, we've now welded in the wheel tubs. And also the wing to tub braces, they're all welded in. So that now completes the main sections of the pickup bed, all welded in and positioned. And once we get it lowered down, we can then just do the finishing sections, which come along here, little closure panels. So our next task will be to repair the tailgate. Now we've had a bit of a going over with a grinder on this, and the damage and corrosion appears to be a little bit more severe. So we'll be fabricating some new panels for that, and we'll be doing the videos as we go.